Hi, I'm Michael Newrock and welcome to Traders Elite. Right now, we're sharing the exact trading strategies that we use to determine exactly when to buy and when to sell. These are proven, battle-tested strategies that we've been using for the last 5 years and which you can start using immediately to help you achieve positive results. In these videos, I'll reveal 3 powerful strategies so you can catch big moving trends, detect market reversals, and exploit key institutional levels, regardless of whether the market is moving up, down, or sideways. I'm also going to cover some great risk reward tips and insights into how I trade that can help you extract mega pips from the marketplace. And I'm going to give you a chance to copy our signals so you can take advantage of the exact trades we're taking every trading day. Click the Get Free Access button below this video, enter your email, and I'll see you on the inside.